Today I'm going to teach you how to center a table in Outlook email. This is a really useful formatting trick when you want your tables to look more professional and balanced in your email messages. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once everything is loaded and you can see your inbox, you'll be ready to work on formatting your email table. To center a table in Outlook email, you'll first need to access your email tools by clicking on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This opens up the email composition window where you'll have access to all the formatting options you need. From the email composition screen, head to the Insert tab located on the top part of your screen and click on it. Under the Insert menu, look for the Tables option. Go ahead and insert a sample table so we can demonstrate the process of moving your table to the center. This gives us something to work with and helps you visualize exactly how the centering process works. Once the table is added, highlight it by clicking and dragging across the entire table. Make sure you've selected the whole table, as this is crucial for the next steps to work properly. With your table still highlighted, navigate to the Message tab at the top of your screen. Under the Message tab, look for the Basic Text section. Within this section, you'll find the Increase and Decrease Indent options. These buttons are your key to centering the table. Click on the Increase Indent button to move your table to the right. Make sure the table remains highlighted throughout this process. Here's where the centering happens. Continuously click on the Increase Indent button, and you'll see your table gradually shift toward the center of your email. Keep clicking until you position your table at the center. You'll need to visually judge when it looks centered, so take your time with this step and make small adjustments as needed. And that's it. Your table should now be perfectly centered in your Outlook email, making your message look more polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.